Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. Today's cooking video is in honor of Ethiopia's National Day. May 28th commemorates the downfall of the Derg, the military government that ruled Ethiopia from 1974 to 1991. A constitution was adopted in 1994, and Ethiopia's first multi-party elections were held in 1995. Today's cookbook highlight is the Immigrant Cookbook, Recipes That Make America Great, collected and edited by Leyla Moushabeck. Today's recipe is Siona Beliti Spicy Ethiopian Stew with vegetarian modifications. For your ingredients, you will need firm tofu, lemon juice, onions, babiri spice, garlic clove, ginger, vegetable oil, tomato paste, vegetable stock, butter, ground cardamom, salt, soft-boiled eggs, and something to serve it with like cooked rice, bread, yogurt, or cottage cheese. Step 1. Place the tofu in a large bowl, cover with water, and add the lemon juice. Set aside for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Heat a large pot over medium heat and add the onions and 2 tablespoons of water. Cook, stirring for about 45 minutes or until soft, caramelized, and brown in color, adding 2 tablespoons more water at a time as the onions dry out. You may use up to 1 cup of water in total. Step 3. Add the babiri spice, garlic, and ginger and cook for 20 minutes, stirring frequently and adding 2 tablespoons of water at a time if it dries out, up to 1 cup of water in total, until you have a deep red color. Step 4. Add the oil and tomato paste and cook for another 8 minutes. Step 5. Drain and add the tofu, mixing to coat it well with the mixture, and simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 6. Add 1.5 cups of vegetable stock, bring to a simmer, cover, reduce heat to low, and cook until the tofu is tender, about 10 minutes. Step 7. Remove the lid, add the butter, cardamom, and a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste. Increase the heat to medium and simmer, stirring occasionally and spooning sauce over the tofu until the liquid has reduced and the sauce has a thick, creamy consistency, about 8 minutes. A good tip is to add the remaining 1/2 cup stock or water during your cooking to adjust the consistency if necessary. Step 8. Add in your eggs and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes to heat through. Season with salt to taste if needed. Step 9. Serve warm over rice or with bread, plain yogurt, or cottage cheese. All that's left is to enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.